Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by signing into your Google account and navigating to Images. Google.com. Once there, click the camera icon to add an image for a reverse search. Choose Upload an image or paste an image URL. If your goal is to have the image appear in Google Images later, prepare to host the file on a public, crawlable web page instead of only using the Search Upload tool. Make sure your file name and basic metadata are descriptive so Google understands the content. Once your image is hosted, optimize the page so Google can find and index it. Add a clear, descriptive file name and alt text that explains what the image shows. Make sure the page isn't blocked by robots, TXT, or a noindex tag, and include the image URL in your site's XML sitemap. Use structured data image object, if appropriate, to provide context and captions. Also ensure the hosting page is mobile-friendly and loads quickly to improve crawl priority. Finally, verify the hosted image page in Google Search Console. Use URL inspection to test live URL and request indexing. This speeds up appearance in Google Images. Monitor coverage and performance reports to confirm the image surfaces for relevant queries. If the image doesn't appear, make sure the page is crawlable, remove any blocking rules, validate your sitemap, and correct structured data errors. One troubleshooting tip: if Google can't fetch the image, check server permissions and confirm content type headers are correct so crawlers can download the file.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.